This week sees National Shwmae Day, a day where people are encouraged to say hello in Welsh. Shwmae, it literally means how is it? The Cardiff version would be alright, but why should people bother? It's a dead language, isn't it? A museum piece? Nonsense. Almost a fifth of people in Wales speak Welsh fluently, and an estimated 1 million people worldwide. Some people seem to think that the language is a cultural thing, but it's so much more than that. Welsh is the language of commerce, of farming, of socialising, of social networking, births and deaths, sad times and good times. Some people can speak it, others can't. That's not any one person's fault, that's just history's fault. Less than 200 years ago, the Welsh Not meant that if you were caught speaking Welsh, you would be beaten in front of the class. For centuries, Welsh was not even acknowledged as a language of commerce or law, but all that's changed. But if we don't use it, we'll lose it. Speaking Welsh is an act of defiance against those who would wish to see it die. So come on, Caerdydd, let's hear your Shwmaes.
Shwmae, 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 Shwmae.
Shwmae. Shwmae pawb.
Shwmae.
Shwmae.
Shwmae heddiw.
Shwmae.
Shwmae Wales.
Shwmae.
Shwmae. Shwmae.
Shwmae.
Shwmae.
Shwmae.
Shwmae.
Shwmae.
Shwmae.
I'm Carly Stenson. I'm in Curtains the Musical at New Theatre Cardiff, and I just want to say, Shwmae Cardiff. Did I say that right? Shwmae.